Welcome to Physical Education Videos for All. Today, we're going to do physical fitness test for reaction time. Reaction time is the amount of time it takes to respond or react in a stimulus. We need it in most sport. Example, reacting on an offense, reacting on a defense, or reacting in a gun in a starting line of 100-meter sprint. To test reaction time, we need to do stick drop test. To do this, we need a 12-inch ruler, an armchair, or chair and table. And that's all for reaction time. See you again next time.